If you want to earn money online by article writing jobs, content writing jobs, or a copy paste work. For this work, no laptop, no PC required, simple a mobile phone required. If you have a simple smartphone with internet connection, you can easily do this work on your mobile phone. If you have no degree, no investment, no skill, don't worry. If you have no knowledge about this work, don't worry. For learning must be complete. Watch this video. For learning, let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your device and search here Google News, and this type interface show on your screen, so must be click on Google News. After opening this type interface show on your screen, so click on three dots and click on the desktop sites. You can also be rearrange all news that are showing on your desktop. How to customize? You can see that's the customize option show on this type, so must be click it on a small desktop open on your screen. So choose your topics and customize it for your own easily. So I have selected Pakistan mobile, world, politics, etc, and you can also be selected for your own personality for our users. When you selected all your topics, and you can see that at the bottom of the page save and close, so must be click it on. If you comes back to the list and see the under for you, there are all topics are showing. These topics are personal uses for your own, and we have opened one article from this, and you can see that this is the complete article in a news form, one attractive title and emotional pics, and also be given a more instruction, more information, more description. And here now how can I write this type article just on a smartphone without any knowledge? So must be watch this video complete step by step. So select or a copy some part or a complete info of this article, and comes back to the Google Chrome and search here spinboard.com, and this type dashboard open on your screen. Must be click it and open a desktop site. So paste here info we have copied from article, and then click basic spin. Just as few seconds, spin would rearrange your article. Now copy of this bottom paragraph. Now goes back to the Google Chrome and search here duplicate checker. For checking plagiarism, list here paragraph. Scroll down and I am not remote, check that. And now click on check plagiarism. For checking plagiarism in this paragraph, the duplicate checker start our work. Please wait some loading, and now check the result. 25% plagiarism and also be 75% unique content. This is the safe and unique content. No copyright problems come on it, and we also be earn money online just giving this article, this paragraph to any website. This is the best real and online copy paste work for students and housewife. Also be removing 25% plagiarism, rearrange it paragraph on spinboard.com. And now how to earn money from this work. So open Google Chrome on your device and click here and search here high country news. Open first link on this tab, and this type interface show on your screen. Goes bottom to this websites, and also be click on get email newsletter, and also be click on three dots at top of page and search here submission guidelines, and now also be click on submission guidelines option, and this type interface show on your screen. To send us email tips, please use our online form. This type form open on your screen. So enter here first name, last name or email address, and now bottom we have paste article we have rearranged from pinboard.com, and click on submit option at the bottom of the page. If you talk about earning from high country news, they pay between $0.50 and $1.50 as a per word, and also be a real and a trustable websites. And now we're talking about which topic we can use to write article and share it on this website. First, news, analytics and opinion. Second, shorts form and reporter story. Essay about life in the West. Questions and answer with people. And more than culture stories. And also be write on long form features. And also be more than topics are available which you can use to write article and share it on this website and earn money. Whatever don't publish here, these topics are available which we cannot written any article and not to publish on this website. Must be read it carefully and understand it carefully. If you are scroll down and see that the topic has attached to its Gmail, it's make very simple and easy to work. In this help you can send your work easily to your owner. I hope you understand this video and try to work on this and earn money online. Just stay home without any investment, without any degree, without any skill. For more tech, freelancing and online earning video, first of all, please subscribe my channel first of all.